Hi guys, welcome back to the Broad Meadows for part 2 of my lawn renovation. Start off with using this cool gadget to put air holes into the lawn so air can get down to the root zone. Now I've not used this before, I've only used a manual core aerator, so I thought I'd give this a little bit of a whirl. See how easy it is. So as you can see, that's the type of holes you're going to get, and that enables air to travel down the soil and into the root zone. So it's much more healthier for your lawn, helps it to grow, and it helps water drainage as well. Right, so that's the aeration done. All that does look is puts little holes all over your lawn like that. It's still manual and it still takes some work, but yeah, it's going to be little holes, so that allows your lawn to breathe. Right, next would be seeding. Alright guys, now next thing we're going to do is to do the seeding. That is all perennial ryegrass. I've chose ryegrass because it germinates really quick, plus when you're striping you get a really good stripe effect with ryegrass, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do it in 2 different directions, that way, then that way. And I'm using this Scott's spreader. And if you want any updates, you could always check out my Instagram page, because I'm always putting photos on there or videos. So yeah, check that out. So that's the seed put down. We need to roll it into the ground so we get a good seed to soil contact. Otherwise, if it sits on top of the grass, then it just won't germinate. So I've not got a garden roller, so I'm going to use my lawn mower because it is quite weighty. So that should be heavy enough to roll it in, but we shall see. Alright guys, so made a start on doing the top dressing, doing a bit of levelling. Looks like it's starting to rain now. That's how it's looking. And once it stops raining, we'll continue. Right, okay guys, that's it, all levelled and raked in. That's how it's looking now. All that's left to do now is to water it. And now it's just a case of watering that in. And that's about it for me renovation. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Just skip to any points that you wanted to see. And that's it for my lawn renovation. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, give us a like, any comments, and I'll see you next time in the lawn.